Welcome everyone. Get ready to dive in the world of physics where curiosity meets discovery.
Unit conversion is a process of changing a quantity from one unit of measurement to another while preserving its numerical value. The base unit for measuring mass in the metric system is the kilogram. Did you know 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.2 pounds?
What is equilibrium? In physics, equilibrium refers to a state in which an object or a system experiences a balanced set of forces and torques, resulting in a stable and changing condition. So there are two main types of equilibrium. So the two main types of equilibrium is the static equilibrium and the dynamic equilibrium. In static equilibrium, an object is at rest and experiences no net force or net torque. This implies that both the translational and rotational aspects are balanced. So in dynamic equilibrium, it involves a constant velocity with no net acceleration. While the object is in motion, the forces acting on it are balanced, preventing any change in speed or direction. It is fundamental in analyzing and predicting the behavior of objects in various physical systems. From simple static scenarios to complex dynamic situations, it provides a key foundation for solving problems related to forces, torques, and motion in physics.
To talk about force and motion. Force is a physical quantity that can cause object to accelerate or deform. It is typically defined as push or a pull exerted on an object due to its interaction with another object. Newton's law of motion, formulated by Sir Isaac Newton, are fundamental principles that describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it. Newton's first law, law of inertia. Second, law of acceleration. Lastly, law of action and reaction. Gravity is a force that attracts objects with a mass towards one another. It is responsible for holding planets in orbit around the sun, causing objects to fall towards the Earth and determining the weight of an object.
Now, we will talk about work, energy, and power. Work is a transfer of energy that occurs when a force is applied to an object and the object moves in the direction of the force. Energy is the ability to do work. It comes in various forms such as kinetic energy, potential energy, and others. Power is the rate which work is done or energy is transferred. Mathematically, power is the work done divided by the time taken to do that work. These concepts are fundamental to understanding the dynamics of physics systems and are often interconnected in various equations and principles within physics.
Heat and temperature are related but have distinct difference in the form of physics. So, what is heat? So, heat is a transfer from one substance to another in the difference of temperature, from higher temperature to lower temperature. So now, what is temperature? So temperature is a measure of an average kinetic energy that is in a particle of substances. It is a scalar quantity that is measured using units such as degrees Celsius or Kelvin. So the temperature is used to indicate on how hot or cold an object would be. So it doesn't directly represent the heat that it contains. So there are three types of heat transfer. First is the conduction, convection, and radiation. So conduction is the transfer of heat from the materials without moving the material. Second, the convection is the transfer of heat through the movement of fluids or light gases. And the third is the radiation. It's a transfer of heat through the electromagnetic waves without the need of the medium that can occur in a vacuum or not dependent on the direct contact with the fluid.
So that's it, guys. We hope that you have learned something new today.